proud to share it with you today. It's the all-new 2019 Chevrolet Traverse. If anyone has any additional questions on the Traverse, or maybe like some more literature sent out to you on the Traverse or any of our vehicles, feel free to come speak to me. My name is Dylan, or see any of the other knowledgeable product specialists out here on the floor. We'd love to answer any questions you may have.
We're starting to form
Enjoy
one
the rest
right
of your day
here.
here at the Chicago International Auto Show. Welcome to Chevrolet.
Awesome, right in there. Very good. I'll let you know your time. Come on this side. What is your name?